Okay guys, super low mileage 2018 Ford F150 Platinum, EcoBoost motor, long bed. Looks like it has a little bit of a lift on it, some oversized tires. Looks like it's set up to tow from a motorhome. Got the bed cover over here. Power running boards. Massage seats. $68, $144 on the miles. Apple CarPlay, 360 camera, locking diff. It's got your trailer package, heated cooled seats, lane assist, park assist, remote start, adaptive cruise. Lights. Automatic windows, power folding mirrors. This is your massage seats. VIN number. Big panoramic sunroof. Power sliding rear glass. All-weather floor mats. Does have these DVD screens in here, but I can't seem to get them turned on, so I'm going to check into that and see if I can get them to work. I will take a picture of them on if I do get them to work and put it on the website. This is the 6.5-foot bed, long bed. Slow release tailgate, bed liner. This does have the tailgate step in here, comes out. Looks like this is air, so there it looks like it might have some airbags on there. Yep. It's got airbags on the rear. Great for heavy pulling. See those there? Look at that tire. Rear heated seats. This does have the B&O sound system. This is a rebuilt title, damaged right through these two doors. Kind of sideswiped and damaged it right through there. All been fixed up. Got the tow mirrors. Super nice truck. Check out all inventory at realdealauto.com.